Yo, what is up, guys? The update, Animal Company update, is actually coming out right now. But Animal Company, you are 33 minutes late. Oh my god, I want that. That bundle looks so chill. I'm behind you, Alright.
We are in the new map!
Oh, you go, kid. Let's go see this. My thingy is glitched.
Yeah, I was.
Okay,
Why is it a portal?
Bruh, a portal? Are you serious? Alright. Yo!
Let's go! Whoa!
Okay.
So. Oh, we've got skis,
Okay,
Shotgun.
okay.
Put that on that hit spot. Wait, so rules, go fast, don't die, have fun.
Alright, let's go.
That's easy
Oh
for
my
you to
god!
Whoa! I'm going so far!
Oh my god. Okay, and then boing! What the? God, this is so tough.
What did you say? Wait, that's really weird. I found a vault with like a key.
Whee! Ow! Okay, I'm kind of sort of in the game, but what is this? Did you go in the different places?
I have to go in a different route than you.
Alright. There's a big vault. If you get like a little like spinny thing, tell me. Cause I know where it goes.
We're flying!
Wait, let's see. Yo! Oh, I'm zooming! Yo!
This is insane! I just found a OG map!
I'm only at the bottom. I'm at the water bit, I'm at the bottom.
Look! Look at the OG
Oh.
map!
What the? Oh my god.
It's literally OG map!
Oh my god, no way! Wait, it's frozen!
Wait, does this mean it's gonna unfreeze?
Oh my god. It's like my theory, but the other way around. What is this? Yo!
That's
this
so is this a shot?
Look at this.
Wait,
There's a big
Kingdom.
screen. It's gonna be like the countdown. We need like...
Wait!
We need a reel. We need to find a reel somewhere. Oh my god! It's OG map.
Wait, we're not ending until we find this reel. I don't care.
Yeah, I'm not in. The video will be short on. Yo, there's no way. Okay. There's no way.
Okay,
Oh
there's like
my
there's a
God.
vault. Did you see the vault?
Yeah, I did. We need a lever.
Maybe we have to get a lever from that thing. So the ship. Wait, go behind the curtains. Go behind curtains. Reel might be there. Does it go dark?
I'm just so shocked.
It doesn't go dark.
I thought you meant it was like behind. Like it was fully under. But it's like we can explore it and everything.
Yeah, but most of it's cut off.
So now we know what it's looked like, so it's like full on.
It's definitely gonna unfreeze.
Wait, so lake has fully submerged. And it's turned into
What?
all this stuff. So my theory is kind of right. A big snowstorm came, and that's why. So my theory is
My
kind of
God,
right. So you know how I said that there was a big, I reckon there was a big snowstorm thing?
Yeah.
Because like, look,
This is so
there's a bunch of
unexpected.
screens. I have a feeling it's gonna be like an event.
No, I don't think.
Oh,
I reckon
Oh, it's
we
a
just need to find a.
timer.
Wait, what?
oh damn it, you're way faster than me.
You're so ass.
And we're gonna go back.
We have to find a
I'm
reel,
gonna
so we're
restart it.
going
We're gonna restart it. Okay.
Yeah, we need to find this reel.
You know what? I need 3.
Why can't-
There's like a cabin down here. Might be the real. Don't
Okay. Should we? Okay. No grapple.
I'd probably bring one. What is this? Get away!
I'll stay behind in case he tries to escape.
Can you shoot him?
Okay. I'll just. I'm just
Watch him just
I don't know
full
who you
run at
are.
us.
but. Can you?
We don't want to know who you are.
I think this is some war.
Shoot him!
Okay.
Run! What the frick?
Can he leave the? He can't leave his house.
This is dumbass. Dumbass. Wait. Piss off.
So we need to do something.
I'm a miner.
Exploring kind of stuff. So I know you're.
Wait, let's just.
Boom! It's dark. It's really dark. It's really scary. And he's in here with me, isn't he?
Would you say?
Ah! Where is he? Oliver, where did he go? Oliver, where did he go?
Come in, I got a light. What the
Oliver, this door's opening.
Can you push
This
the
door's
door?
opening. There's something in there. Oliver, there's something in there.
Wait, I don't want to be a sacrifice.
I hear him.
I think maybe we need to find something.
Okay, if you're not gonna help, I mean, if you're just gonna be scared, give me the light.
I see him. Quick.
Why did it just get dark? Oliver,
He's right there, quick, come, come,
what?
come.
What? Okay, give me the light. Give me the light.
You can see his eyes.
I'm not as scared of you, buddy. If you think
Why was there so
he
many?
doesn't like the brightness. Oh my god, he's dying still alive. They're dying.
Wait, turn the light off, maybe we should just walk. Oh.
Stupid!
Dumbass.
How many are there? Oh, they're gone.
Well, I just got hit.
They're all gone.
Oh. There's one right there, one right there, one right there.
Open the door! Open the door!
It's like stinky. There's 2 of them right there! Like you need to like it that one tap on.
Go dip, dip. Wait, what? You didn't revive?
The dead end.
He's right there!
He died. No, you don't.
Okay, what was that?
What the flip? What? Wait, that looks cool. $10.
Okay.
We're gonna go back, cause
Yeah, we're gonna go back. We're gonna
For the
call it time
content.
lapse unless something cool happens. We're gonna try and find that wheel. So yeah, let's go. So we just found out the weaknesses. Why? It's kind of self-explanatory. Why is there weakness?
okay, parkour.
And we're looking for the little wheel thing that we most likely need.
I just had something. There, in the next room. There's one there. I just saved your life.
Point it! Point it! Die! Duh! Okay, that was
Got him.
I'm really low. If I can hit it.
He's a grappler.
Get back! Die! God, that was really.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it! Okay, so guys, I have found it! I have found the needle! Or whatever it's called. It's the tape! I found it! So we're gonna put that on the back. I've got it! We might be the only people that are doing this right now, by the way. Up. Where's the thing? Okay, just go back to start. Go back to start. I freaking have it. Yeah, just go back. Just go back one.
Yo! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry!
Where the hell are you? Oh wait, don't put that in the video. It looks like
Oh my god.
an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, let's watch this movie.
Jimmy,
What
stop!
is?
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy,
Oh, Jimmy,
Jimmy.
that's yours!
Oh my god! Pigkin! That
That's such a fun trampoline!
would you rather
not my
a free rocket
Jacob!
or a mystery bag?
Oh, God did for me.
Jacob confirmed coming back. Oh my god! Summon Jacob. Wait, Jacob coming back confirmed.
Hey, buddy, you need a haircut?
Where is Remy?
Come on, Remy was the creator of Jacob.
What do you mean? No! What are you doing?
No. Oh no! Whoa!
I mean, just look at her.
You're joking. Wait. What? You can go through the TV.
Whoa! Whoa! We can't use it! What? This is sick! What was it? What?
What is? No! Oh, 1 coin. Thank you, mate. Why do we have to do pop?
Coda! Create direction! Wait, this is some wall right now. Josh. Oh, it's the credit.
Are we dead ass?
This is
There's a fishing rod.
W.
Shut up. No way, I'm falling here. There's no way. Okay, jump. You get 1 coin. This is so weird. Oh, fuck. Wait, go up here. You have to go up here. Heads only. Are we here? We're dead now.
Oh my
Whoa,
god.
whoa.
Oh my! He's sorry.
Hey! What's my name?
Alright, 3.
What have we just done? Whoa! What the frick? No way. Whoa! Bang on music. What? Are we? All of that just to be back at the start.
That was very cool though.
That was really cool. Shout out to
I
Amelia, girl that created Animal Company, and the other people.
Right there. That saved it from its rating because it took us about like an hour.
It took us an hour and a half just to get there. But anywho, thank you so much for watching. This is Washington AC, out with another video.